Hello everybody. Today's video is on the Dillon RT trimmer, which is back here behind me. Today I have to set up to cut some 223 brass, and I thought I'd show you how I set it up. Now the trimmer, if you're doing a lot of brass, is the way to go. Normally, in the past, I've always used a trimmer like this, which these work great also, but lately I've been reloading about 500 pieces of brass a week, and this rapid trimmer does the job for me. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I set it up. Okay, there's three major parts to the rapid trim. First one being the motor itself. The second one is the carbide insert cutter, which you see here. That is a replaceable tip. And then the third one being the full length trimming die. And you need one of these for every caliber. This one just happens to be for the 223. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is bring the full length sizing die down to where it touches the top of your shell holder. Once it's touching the top of the shell holder, you back it off 1/2 turn. And that is so you can creep up on the sizing of the neck. But in our case, my cases have already been decapped and sized in a sizing die. So the reason I backed it off is I won't be touching this surface here. I'm just using it as the trimming feature. So we're going to tighten that down using just the wrench. Okay, I'm going to put a shell holder in, and you do have to make sure whether you use the steel or the carbide dies that you always lube them. So we're going to bring this up. Okay, I've got the ram all the way up at the highest stroke it will go. And do you see the brass, how it pokes through? Let's see, right there's inside of there's the brass. Maybe you see it better like that. I'll bring it down and I'll bring it back up again so you can see it come through. Okay, we want that all the way up. Next, we will install the motor onto the die. So what we're going to do is with this all the way up, your ram all the way up. So there's a close-up of the insert cutter. We're going to thread this down until it just barely touches Okay, we're going to bring that down until it just barely touches. I don't know if is that a better Okay, I feel that's touching right there. Going to bring it down. I'm just going to barely go a little bit more. Next, we're going to tighten up this ring, and it goes up. Okay. Okay, this step we plug in the plug, and it is a keyed plug. Here's the plug here, and we're just going to line up the keys. So it looks like it goes like so. Okay. Okay, normally we will have this collar around here like so to have a vacuum hooked up to it, but for today I'm going to leave that off so I can show you what we're doing. I'll turn on the unit. Bring a piece of brass up. And take it down. Now I'm going to measure the brass. Okay, here's my calipers. 1 inch 756. So I got to go a little bit more, and we'll adjust that down, and I'll show you. Gonna loosen that top collar, or that top nut. Go down just a little bit more. Then tighten it back up. Make another cut. And measure. One inch 751. I think I can deal with that. So that's what it looks like. And I'll do a couple more. Alright, as you can see, it'll be a lot easier to trim your brass this way. I'll just check one more. They're about 1 inch 748, and it's good enough for me. It's about where it settled in at. I'll just go through and show you how fast I could do them. It's a lot faster to do it this way. If you have, like me, I got thousands of brass to do than doing the lathe style. Now Dillon recommends that you use the case length gauge to double check everything. Looks good to me. Okay, thanks for watching my video today. Hopefully you learned something about the Dillon Rapid trimmer. Feel free to like, subscribe, and as always, have a good day, and thanks again for stopping by. We'll see you soon. Blah, 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 blah. And blah, 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 blah. I don't even need this in there. Hopefully, why did I say okay, everybody? I got nothing. Nothing. Blah, blah. Okay. Okay, there. Hopefully, I don't know what to say. Hopefully, I don't know what to say. I really don't. Bah. Cutting lambs. Bah. And hopefully, why do I keep saying hopefully? And is it? And as always, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.